Hi guys, when you start to be bored because you need to do all of the things again and again and again, then it's the time to write a script, a bash script. I've just made a video, so before this one I'll put it online, how to create a script, and this one is called add-microcode. You may have seen some information on the ArcoLinux.org website about it, but it is so tedious to do everything manual. That's why you need to learn bash scripting or a language, maybe Python or Perl or whatever. Thing is, we want to install the Intel U code and the AMD U code, either, right, depending on the CPU. And he knows I'm on a genuine Intel machine. So if it's not there, it's going to install the Intel U code, but it is there, so he's gonna skip. And if microcode is not already in the mkinitcpio, then it's gonna be in. So we're talking about this file and this line here, line 52, microcode. If not there, right? If not there, it will add it, and that's all it is. But how we created the scripts is more interesting. So this video, the number of this video -1. So if I run this again and I look again, microcode is back in, and I can keep running it, but once in is enough, right? So I won't override it and make it microcode, etc. It has to be correct. So there you go, another tutorial about scripting and an easy way to just add it if you want to. I can't say it improves my machines, but it may improve your machine. All right, cheers. By the way, more info, ArchWiki, microcode. Cheers.